Fold one light pink pipe cleaner in half. Twist tightly at the 4.5 centimeters mark to secure. Gently curve both sides outward. Bring one side through the center and lay the other over it. Twist the two together tightly. Keep one tail and trim off the other. Shape the petal with a soft curve. Make 5 identical petals total. Fold 3 light yellow stamens in half. Use elastic string to attach the 5 petals evenly around the center. Keep one pipe cleaner tail and trim the others shorter as needed. Wrap the stem area with light green floral tape. Make 2 identical flowers total. Take one light pink pipe cleaner and bend it at the 4 centimeters mark. Leave about 0.5 centimeters on the short end and cross and twist tightly to secure. Twist to form 4 identical petals. And curve them slightly inward. Wrap the stem portion with light green floral tape. Make 2 identical buds total. Take one olive green pipe cleaner and wrap about 4 centimeters of it with floral tape first. Attach the 2 buds along the stem, spacing them about 4 to 4.5 centimeters apart. Then attach the 2 flowers one by one. Fold another olive green pipe cleaner in half and connect it to the original green stem. Wrap the entire stem completely with floral tape.